love that sound of lions.
Oh yeah.
We're right here.
But at least we didn't have this last night, because you wouldn't have seen it happen.
Yeah. Okay,
Now
I
you
don't
could
think
see
that-
it all around you.
Yeah.
What an experience.
It's interesting how they kind of leave the father alone on one side and fighting over the meat on the other side.
Well, he doesn't let him come over.
But just remember, he knocked the one down here, fast. So, yeah, he doesn't cower, hey? You notice that? He doesn't sort of hang back. He decided that the male was too close. He just went for it. So as old as he is, he's still... There was a perfectly good zebra.